Hi there, I'm now going to show you how to scan in a transfer using a barcode scanner. On your transfers screen, select a transfer and click Scan Transfer In. A scan transfer screen like this appears. It shows you your transfer number, the store your transfer is from, your reference, and as you scan in an item like this, it shows you the details of the item, code, description, the size, the color, and the barcode. Below it tells you that 2 units is expected in this item. I have receipted 1 unit already. Below it shows me the total expected of this transfer and the units that I have receipted in thus far. I'm going to continue to scan in the items. As you see, the total expected is 6 and the total units is 6 as well. I'm going to scan in an extra item to show you you can make a mistake when scanning in a transfer by scanning in an extra item. If I close this transfer, go back on that transfer, double click it, select the item. As you see, one size is highlighted in red. Total expected units was 2, but I scanned in 3 items. You can correct that to the correct number of units you have received. Click complete on the bottom. Okay, message will appear. Are you sure you want to sign this transfer off? Because you will not be able to make any changes to the transfer. Yes. It says the transfer has no discrepancies. Are you sure this transfer is complete? Yes. The transfer was receipted successfully. Click OK. And that is how you would scan in a transfer barcode scanner. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.